I'm Sam, this is my bike check. Like that, yeah? Front to back? Nah, I'm gonna go front to back, mate. Right. Hi, I'm Sam, out here, OverWheel BMX. It's my bike check. I'm gonna go from the start. No shit. The front to the back. And we're gonna start at the bar ends. Odyssey. They're strong. They're plastic. Then we got BSD Dan Paley grips. I mean, they're good, but they wear down. So I guess they're kind of alright. Salt bars. Had them for like a week. I cut them to 27. And they're pretty good as well. Oh fuck. I don't know what my stem's called. It's Odyssey something. Yeah, I've got an Odyssey stem. I've had it for like 3 years. It's been on like 2 different bikes. It's sick. And yeah, Odyssey stems. This is fucked. We've got some Subrosa forks. I don't know what kind of Subrosa forks they are. They came with my bike. Sick. So them other bike riders. We've got VSD Donna Squeak tyre. They're the best. Fucking hot fire. VSD is the shit. I've got a Rant front wheel. I don't know what kind of front wheel it is, I just know that it's Rant. And I've got metal hub guards. Cause fuck plastic. I've got pegs. I've got Rant pegs and they're metal. And they're sick. But they're rusty, but you know, it happens. I've got Rant pedals. It's pretty much all Rant. Cause I'm cheap. And yes, I've got Rant, fucking shred pedals. And I've got Stevie cranks. They're great. They're black. And they've got Stevie Churchill's name on them. Which means they're fucking sick. And then I've got a BSD sprocket, 25 tooth. It's also sick, because it's BSD.
Just stop!
25 tooth. Because 25 is good. 28's like not good. Well, for me anyway. And then we have a Cult chain. It's shit. Don't buy it. It snapped like 3-4 times. And that was the 3 and 4 times I rode it. So it snapped every time I rode it. So don't buy it. Honestly, I've never watched a bike check like this. This is great. Oh shit! I've got a Primo bottom bracket, and it sticks out the frame because I never had enough spacers, so I just fuck it. And then we come back to the back wheel. We've got a BSD Donna Squeak. Some shit in my tyre. I've got a Rant rim. Fucking random ass spokes. And I've got the BSD West Coaster. It's a free coaster wheel. Suck at this shit. It's a free coaster and it comes with 2 guards and it's sick. I've got more Rant pegs. And I've got a Subrosa frame. I don't know what kind of frame it is, but it's got like 27.5 top tube. 13.5, what's this called? A rear end? Back end? Chainstay. 13.5 back end. Yeah, oh shit. BSD headset with the high cap and we've got other stuff. Oh, I've got a seat. It's a Subrosa seat. It's uncomfy. Don't buy it. It's broken. What? No, it's combo. It's combo. Yeah. It's a one piece thing. No, look. We also have We also have an empty lighter. And that's it on my bike. We've also got a sticker here, but we're not going to include that in the video.
Broken glass everywhere. People pissing on the stage, you know they just don't care. I can't take the smell, can't take the noise. Got no money to move out, I guess I got no choice. Rats in the front room, roaches in the back, junkies in the alley with the baseball bat. I tried to get away, but I couldn't get far, cause a man with a tow truck repossessed my car. Don't push me, cause I'm close to the edge. I'm trying not to lose my head. It's like a jungle sometimes. It makes me wonder how I keep from going under. Standing on the front stoop, hanging out the window, watching all the cars go by, roaring as the breezes blow. A crazy lady living in a bag, eating out of garbage pails. Used to be a fag hag, such a dance to tango. Skipped the life and tango, a zircon princess, seemed to lost her senses. Down at the peep show, watching all the creeps, so she could tell her stories to the girls back home. She went to the city and got so did it. She had to get a pimp, she couldn't make it on her own.
So that was my bike check. Subscribe to OverWheel and subscribe to OverWheel and follow OverWheel on Instagram. Also, follow myself. I hope Prospero puts it in here. And follow Wheel and follow Prospero. So yeah, that was it.
Not home. Got a bum education, double digit inflation. Can't take the train to the job. There's a strike at the station.